皆さんこんにちは。Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm diving into the world of Japanese anime phrases that you can seamlessly incorporate into your daily conversations. I will show you some of the useful Japanese phrases that you might hear in your favorite anime, and these phrases will add more fun to your daily interaction in Japanese. Let's get started. First, we have ちょっと待って which translates to wait a moment or give me a second. It's a friendly way to request a temporary pause in your conversation or action, giving you the time you need. For example, ねえ、ちょっと手伝ってくれない？ Hey, can you help me a bit? ちょっと待って、今手が離せない。ちょっと待って、今手が離せない。Give me a second, I'm busy now. Next, we have 気をつけて Take care or be careful. This phrase is like a friendly reminder and to wish someone well. Use it when you spot someone doing something that looks dangerous or risky, or before someone head out for the day.It's your way of saying be careful and have a good day. Let's practice. 今からハイキングに行ってくるね。I'm going hiking. 気をつけてね。いってらっしゃい。気をつけてね。いってらっしゃい。Take care. Go safe. やめて is a direct and firm way of saying stop it.This phrase is used when you want someone to immediately stop their current action or behavior. Imagine it as a verbal red light. When you find yourself in a situation that is bothering or irritating you, then don't hesitate to say やめて。やめて。やめて。頑張って is commonly used to encourage.and support someone who is about to face a challenge or important event like job interview or exam. It means do your best or good luck. For example, 明日面接があるんだ。I have a job interview tomorrow. 頑張って。頑張って。Good luck. 大丈夫 means,It's okay or I'm okay. Use this phrase to say everything is fine or reassure someone. You can also use it as a question like 大丈夫? to friendly check if they are okay. Let's practice. 具合悪そうだけど大丈夫? 具合悪そうだけど大丈夫? You seem sick. Are you okay? 大丈夫ただ寝不足なだけ。大丈夫。ただ寝不足なだけ。I'm fine. Just I didn't get enough sleep. 了解 is your go-to phrase to express understanding. Use it when you want to let someone know you've got the message. It's Japanese way of saying got it. You can say 了解 to your friends. In business setting, you might use了解です or 了解しました to add more politeness. So whether it's casual conversation with your friend or professional setting, 了解 is your go-to signal that you are on the same page. For example, 明日渋谷駅前に5時集合で Tomorrow, let's meet in front of a Shibuya station at 5 o'clock. 了解了解 Got it このレポート明日までに必要なんだけど I need this report by tomorrow 了解ですやっておきます了解ですやっておきます Got it I will get it done When you're surprised, confused, or curious about something, you can simply say 何 perfect for those moments when you need to ask, what? Maybe your friend dropped a bombshell revelation, or if you couldn't catch what people said, then you say, nani? For example, 私すごいこと知っちゃった。I found out something crazy. 何？教えて。何？教えて。What? Tell me. 別に mean not really or nothing special. It can be used when you want to comment on something that you don't have any special impression of or don't want to talk about it. For example, 元気やないけど何かあったの？ You seem down today. Did something happen? 別に大丈夫だよ。別に大丈夫だよ。Not really, I'm fine. どうして？なんで means why. When you want to dig a little deeper into the conversation, you can use なんで？どうして？ to ask why or inquire about the reason. For example, ごめん、今日の飲み会行けないや。Sorry, but I can't make it to today's party. どうして？何かあったの？どうして？何かあったの？ Why? Is everything okay? When you feel annoyed, you can express it like うざい、うぜえ、うざ all meaning annoying, widely adopted by the younger generation. But be careful when using them, as they are very direct and can come off as a rude expression of annoyance. For example, スマホいじってないで勉強しなさい。Stop playing with your smartphone and study. マジでうざい。マジでうぜえ。マジでうざ。Seriously annoying. When something is just hard to believe, say ありえない。It's a perfect expression when you see or hear something extraordinary. For example, 実は昨日 UFO 見たんだ。Actually, I saw a UFO yesterday. 本当？ありえない。本当？ありえない。Seriously? Unbelievable. 空気を読む is a social skill that involves understanding the unspoken or implicit cue in a situation, such as the feeling, emotion, and attitude of the people involved. In Japanese society, the ability to 空気を読む is highly valued, contributing to harmonious interpersonal relationships and smooth conversation. For example, あの人ってほんと空気読めない。あの人ってほんと空気読めない。The person really cannot read the situation. ほんといつもそうだよね。Yeah, he or she is always like that. When things are out of control and there's nothing more you can do about a situation, you use しょうがない。It's like saying, well, it's nothing we can do about it. Let's practice. やば、電車に乗り遅れた。Oh no, I missed the train. しょうがない、次の電車を待とう。しょうがない、次の電車を待とう。It can't be helped. Let's wait for the next train. When you or someone else is facing a tough situation and there is a temptation to give up, you can offer encouragement by saying, 諦めるな、諦めないで。Use this to motivate yourself or others not to abandon their goals or aspirations, especially when things get challenging. For example, やっぱり起業は私に無理だと思う。I think starting a business is impossible for me after all. 諦めないで。君ならできる。 諦めないで。君ならできる。Don't give up. You can do it. いってきます is used by the person who is leaving to inform those staying behind. Before heading out for school, work, or any outing, it's common to say いってきます to let others know that you are on your way. いってらっしゃい is used by the person staying behind when a family member or someone is leaving for work, school, or any other destinations. As the person is about to leave the house, it is customary to say いってらっしゃい to wish them a safe trip. いってきます。いってらっしゃい。いってきます。いってらっしゃい。ただいま is used when you come back home after being away. It's a way to let others know that you are back. When you return home from school, work, or other place, saying ただいま is a customary expression. And when someone comes home and say ただいま, the person already at home responds with おかえりなさい to welcome them back. For example, ただいま、おかえり、ただいま、おかえりなさい。And there you have it! A collection of Japanese anime phrases that you can smoothly incorporate into your real-life conversation, whether you are expressing emotion, cheering someone on, or just adding more fun in your conversation. These phrases are sure to make your conversation more colorful. I hope you enjoyed my video. If you enjoyed my video and if you want to explore more fun things about Japan, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. I love to hear your thoughts. Please leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see in my future video. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for upcoming video. ではまた。